Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's girl Misha here to take you through today's breakdown. This is gold USD. Today is 24th June 2025. But before diving into the chart, allow me share with you my mantra, which states success is my duty, obligation, and a responsibility. It is a must. Success is never an option, it is a must. I either succeed or succeed. Let's dive into the chart. I share with you some breakdown of today. I'll start from yesterday, Monday, 23rd, New York afternoon session. We had price trade above this high. This was the new day open high. Then after price taking out that buy side, this high buy side liquidity, we had this down close candle close above these three consecutive up close candles. I'm on the 15 minutes. So we had this down close below these consecutive up close candles. So I would consider this as a change in state of delivery after price taking out buy side liquidity. Then we had a change in state of delivery, or you can call it a market structure shift. But if you're not yet sure that the market has changed direction or structure, we had this swing low that was formed afterwards, but we still had these two candles, like we had this candle closing below this swing low, showing us that the market has really changed direction. So this was a break in market structure. So we had a break in market structure confirming this after price taking out buy side liquidity, change in set of delivery. We had it failing to again take out the high, but it came and broke structure lower. So we had a break in market structure. This was New York afternoon session. We had a return to order block. We had this bearish order block that was left. We had a return to order block. Then we had this move lower. Then they closed around here. Then they opened. We had this new day opening gap, and price continued to trade lower in that direction. This was Asian Open. We had it trade short term into, we had this bearish order block. So Asian Open, we had price trade back into that order block. Since order flow had already changed to a bearish order flow. So if the order flow is bearish, I would love to see the bearish PDRAs being respected. So this was Asian Open. We had a drop, then we had a return to order block, a bearish order block, forming a swing low. Then from this, rather swing high, sorry. Then from this swing high, we had a drop, an expansion from this high back down, like up to around here. Then around here, at this, let me zoom it. So around here, this was London Open, midnight open. It was around here. Then it continued expanding that direction. Then London Open, we had this price swing, or this price move. So London Open, we had price trade lower, then leaving this a balanced price range. Why is it a balanced price range? Because we had this week price closed back, then we had this candle trading below, like it took out this week, then it closed it below, making this price portion a balanced price range in the market, meaning that both the sellers and the buyers were efficiently delivered. Because you can see, like we had sellers, then the buyers took it up, then after we had the sell side taking it down. So London Open, we had price trade back into this balanced price range. Then from there, it started forming new structure. So the moment you see that the price is really forming new structures, it is time for it to either reverse or continue in that direction. In this case, since order flow was bearish, so we had this trade back into the balance price range. This was London Open, forming a swing high here. Then we had these four consecutive up close. We had price trade down, like closing below these consecutive, making this a bearish order block. So here we had a return, like we had a return into the whole of this was a bearish order block. Still, we had a small order block inside this. Then we had a return into the order block, like we had price trade back into this portion. Since order flow is bearish, I will only be looking for sell opportunities, because chances are, like if price is bearish, that if I take on the buys, they won't last, like short term, they will be short term. So I would love to participate in the direction of the trend. So we had a pullback in here, bearish order block. Price took out, like not so much, that like it took out this high, not so much. Then we had a fair value gap in here. Price came, closed below it, like it was really showing us that the order flow is so bearish. So we had it close below it, like, and it continued to expand lower, taking out this low, closed below, breaking market structure. So this was a new structure being established because we had price close below this low, breaking market structure. But I want you to look closely here. This candle closed, like the low. We had this candle trade below it, then we had this immediately. So this is considered as an immediate rebalance, or an immediate retest. Like this candle traded, retested that the low of that candle. We didn't have any inefficiencies. Then we had price reacting off that. Then we had an expansion still. Price closed below. So this was a breaking market structure. Still, since order flow was bearish, I would be looking for sales. So we had a break in market structure. Price left a fair value gap. We had it pull back into that fair value gap, then dropped back into this portion. We had this is a balance price range here. It dropped back into this portion, a balance price range, then rejected off it, offering support. Then we've previously had this move higher. It has taken out this high. This was an intermediate term high because it rebalanced a fair value gap. So, and price has closed above this high. So I would consider that as a change in state of delivery or a change in market structure. Price has currently left this huge fair value gap, and this is a what? This is a bullish order block. So I would love to see price respect that, since now order flow has really changed to bullish, and target would be premium because it has been moving down from like previous day afternoon session, and that is what is really happening. So when the market is giving me sell opportunities, or when the market is bearish, I will only be looking for sales. Like we participate in the direction of the trend. Hope this has been insightful. I remain Misha. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, comment, like, subscribe. Before I close, my mantra goes like, success is my duty, obligation, and a responsibility. Thank you for watching me. See you at the top.